Welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the SSD performance monitor not showing statistics on XFCE. This is usually due to bad mapping of the mounting path, which commonly happens to those who have SSDs or NVMe drives. First, right-click on your panel, then select Add New Items. You'll see a window with many items. Go to the search bar and type Disk. Select Disk Performance Monitor and a new item will be added to your panel. I will drag it into the middle for a better view. Now, when you hover over it, you'll see a pop-up message that says Device Statistics Unavailable. When you try tweaking the settings, it'll always show the same message. That's because this monitor points to standard HDD or USB drives by default. Since we have an SSD, we'll fix that. Open your terminal, then type lsblk-o name, model, size, type, fs, type, mount point. Look for your root partition mount point, which is slash. Search for the corresponding partition name before the slash and look under which device name it falls under. In my case, it is NVMe 0N1P8 under NVMe 0N1. Copy that name. Open the disk monitor properties, then paste NVMe 0N1 into the device field. I'll additionally edit the name to reflect my device, NVMe. Notice that it now shows statistics like input/output megabytes and busy time percentages. It works. You're all set. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by liking and subscribing for more tips. See you next time.